Yuletide greetings. My name is Erica Papa from Boho Kitchen, and today we're going to make a baked Christmas ham from scratch. So first we're going to make a really flavorful glaze, and it starts with some dark brown sugar, about 3/4 of a cup, some Dijon mustard, which has a little vigor to it, some sparkly crystallized ginger, about a palmful, a whole bottle of chutney, and then we're going to add some spice. This is Chinese 5-spice, and it has cinnamon and cloves and star anise, and it just smells like Christmas. So let's put in about a tablespoon of that, some salt to bring out all the flavors. You really need salt for balance, and a little Madeira, and Madeira is a really nice pairing with ham. Okay, so we're going to blitz this in the food processor, and then we'll get our ham. So here we go. Okay, so let's taste our glaze and see how it tastes. You always want to taste your food. It's really nice. You get the mustard and the spices. Okay, so our brush, and you can brush the ham all over, and then you can just pour the rest over top like that. Okay, and that will bake in a 350 oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. You just want to heat it through and allow it to go all sticky and caramelized. It's a really, really nice ham for your Christmas table. Enjoy.